how to easily install Cinema app on Roku. First things first, before you go ahead and get Roku streaming device, is make sure that the specific country or region that you're in is listed one of the options right here. If not, Roku isn't available in your area yet, but pick one of the most countries below to learn more about Roku streaming. A good thing that Roku streaming devices has a built-in app store where you can download third-party applications and then use that specific platform. So what you're going to do is just head out straight into Roku App Store and look for Cinema HD and hit on install, and it will automatically set up by itself and start streaming from Cinema HD. And that is how you easily install Cinema HD on Roku.